in the Blue Boat. I don't know what is this house, but it's a Blue Boat house and everyone's going here. So. So we're here in Perth. The first time to have layover with AK. So happy. And it says in the weather forecast that it's gonna be rain. But look at that. Oh, sorry. What happened? Yeah. So we walked yesterday. Here at CBD, but I think now is better because you can see more view. I haven't been in Australia for like, no, more than 5 years for sure. So I'm going today with Ruby, my roommate. We're trying to wake up the other girls, but I don't know. Even calling, no answer. But downstairs I went, they were not there.
Good morning, girls. Wake up mo balloon. Na? You just wake up, Kita orang dah siap. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock already. Almost late. Okay, go faster. Yes. Good morning, wake up, girls. 9 o'clock already.
We should have called them 8.
Yeah.
No?
Nak pergi tak? Nak pergi Blue Boat House?
No, they don't want.
Kita orang dah siap dah. Macam mana?
Wait. Already fit check. Old people already on time.
Wake up berapa lama?
They're now laughing. Oh, what is it?
Good morning.
Wow! Still sleepy. He says 30 minutes. Wow! What are you doing? Oh, we wait for you 30 minutes,
Downstairs, must be downstairs.
See you downstairs. Bye-bye. Downstairs we wait. Bye-bye. Okay, so instead of waiting 30 minutes in the hotel, we walk around again in the area. Wow, meat shop. Butchers. I hope it's not raining later. Earlier it was still sunny, but there's this zipping. So we took photo here. We were here.
You're still waiting for these two girls?
Yes. Yes, it's already open. People already. Like, this is very famous for crew. They said everything is cheap here. So we'll see lah. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. But this one is, it's Infinite Shine. I need bubble bath. But, thank you. It says here it's only 9. But, because it's here. But, I want to check because all the OPIs are here. What the happy. Yay! I've been looking for this for a long time. I went to Singapore, I went to Doha, I didn't find it, but it's all here. Ooh. Only 49. Oh. Amazing. Oh, for Mother's Day, yeah, I forgot. Okay, so this one is keto ball. I don't know if it tastes nice. Let's try.
Is it nice?
It doesn't have any taste.
This is keto, right?
Yeah. I asked him if it's nice. He said, He doesn't want to try. Look at that, so many sale. The hotel location is so nice. Like it has a lot of shops. It has a mosque, right? Like it looks like a mosque. Mosque, Indian stalls, Chinese, groceries, everything. So let's try this one, keto. Doesn't have any taste. I mean, you can smell brownies, but when you taste it, it doesn't have like chocolatey taste. So buy like little one first and try it. Happy and it's sunny. Oh, nice weather. Worth the wait. Got it. Yay. So hopefully they're finished with their stuff. Wow! Ika, where is Ika? Still inside. Oh, she's not here. What's a cell phone card? Yourself, picture, smile, blue boat. How was your sleep? Okay. Hey, you go. Waiting grab. Okay, I sit in the front then. I was like, nobody want to sit in the front. I can sit in the front. Ay, you want? Okay, yeah. I'm Karen. Girl, a seatbelt. Oh, thank you so much.
Seatbelt.
Already? It's okay lah, but it's a good, yeah, I think it's a good photo. It's so picturesque. Hi guys, we're now in the Blue Boat. I don't know what is this house, but it's a Blue Boat house and everyone's going here. So you're not an AK crew. If you haven't been here, if you don't post the photo, you're not here. So let's go take a photo with the Blue Boat. Yeah, actually it's really nice. It's like below $20 from Great Southern. So okay. We're 4, so it's okay. And not much of people waiting today. Oh, my co-auntie is here. My co-auntie. That's why I said Gen Z first, because we copy your posing. Later, I will copy, ah. Yo, it's now raining. Little bit la, so it's okay. I didn't bring my umbrella because it's not good for my outfit, but yeah, must bring because it's raining like few seconds, then no more. That's okay. Blue Boat. That's why Gen Z and yes, so good at photos, right? Like this. Yeah. Auntie pose. Hate it, but I love myself. Okay. My babies, they're good taking photos just like my sister. Auntie is here. Whee! Going back and walking around. The search for Makan Makan. Where is Makan Makan? There's so many shops here. Grocery. Huh? Ah, you want the brand? Yeah, maybe inside the... Yeah. Hello! Number 12. Whose food is this? Wow! Terima kasih. Finish. Bye-bye. Yay! Okay, let's eat. Makan-makan. Ooh, I love it. It's so cheesy. Seafood rice. Eee, seafood and so cheesy. Finish eating lunch. Photography in action. Stop. Souvenirs.
Kasi sayang cukup.
Time to go. The custom officer looking for something green. This is green. Only Filipino. Bye. So it was a fun layover, short but sweet. And so now we're going to Perth International once again. I'm waiting for my roomie, Ruby. But she's deadheading, so she has time to rest. But for us, we have to work. Hashtag crew life. Let's go. Fit check. Yes, let's go. Okay.
Bags, everything.
Everything. Wow. Kurt is on point. Straight is on point. Jom. Smiling. Yes. How was your Australia first layover? Wow. Gen Z and us. Gen Z and us. Deadheading crew.
We are Gen Y, is it?
I don't know. It's like millennials, I think. Energy.
Still there.
Still there? Don't wanna go home.
Need to fly that shit back.
Yes. Hello. Waiting for the aircraft.